Hello nieces, hello nephew, it's your Uncle Charles here, and I'm back with another video for some unbiased technical analysis. But this time, we're going to cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, and DOGECOIN, okay? Crypto got a big sell-off, so we're going to take a look at this from a technical perspective, because there's plenty of news out there that you guys can go check. Uncle Charles just want to strictly look at the charts, okay? So what we're looking at here is Bitcoin, weekly chart of Bitcoin. I have this multi-year trend line starting back in the March of 2020 low. Had a few touches here back in September 2020, and a few touches here in the month of May 9th week, May 16th week, May 23rd week. Okay, we had plenty of touches on this orange trend line in May, and then we finally broke it down on the week of June 6th. Okay, broke down. It was also an area of confluence to my 61.8 retracement level. Okay, this level is 28.9k. All right, also had a sloping trend line that connected September 2021 week to the January 17th and January 24th week, all the way down to the May 9th week. All right, so plenty of touches on this blue trend line as well. And well, this week we broke it down, very massive breakdowns. And right now it is touching my 78.6 retracement level, around 17.9k. All right. Bitcoin is around there as we speak. All right. So I'm not the type of guy that likes to buy direct off of support. I like to see a bounce off support and clearing of resistance for me to even look for bullish positions. Okay. Now I'm saying from a trading perspective, a trader's perspective. Okay, where I play it level to level, from a support to a resistance level. All right. In this case, I don't know if we can short Bitcoin. I have to do more research on that. But for me to look to go long, at least, it would need to clear this first resistance. I have around 19.7k, but we can round it up to 20k. So short-term bullish, if we can clear 20k for some type of relief rally, I have the next resistance level up here around 25k. And if that can clear, that will put 28.9k back in play, the 61.8 retracement level, okay? So, like I said, it needs to bounce. Right now, it's not seeing much buying pressure, guys. You see this big-bodied waterfall, knife falling candle right here, and it's falling right to this support level, and bulls are not reacting. All right, that's what this big body candle tells me, which is not a good sign. So, like I said, it needs to bounce off the 17.9k support level, which is 78.6 retracement level, clear 20k to put 25k back in play, then 28.9k back in play. Unless that scenario happens, I would not trust it. I would not look to go long, okay? So like I said, buying pressure is looking weak, even though we're at a support level. So if that level fails, I don't have much support until 12.6k, then 10.4k, and if that fails, holy moly, we could probably drop below 10k as low as 4,000. All right, imagine Bitcoin back at 4,000. That's incredible. But yeah, that's just a technical analysis, purely technical analysis. No news, nothing like that. There's plenty of news out there that you guys can check. That, you know, lots of content out there. But I wanted to focus strictly just from the technical perspective, strictly on the numbers, strictly on the price action. Okay, so support here is at 17.9k based on the 78.6 retracement level. I have resistance at 20k. I wouldn't look to long unless that level is cleared, but if it clears, that puts 25, then 28.9k in play. 17.9k fails, 12.5k incoming below that 10.4. All right, moving on to Ethereum. I also have my fib levels here, okay, starting from the March 2020 low all the way up to the November 2021 high. And this past week, we're losing this 78.6 retracement level. Okay, that's a big body red candle, strong sell-off, knife is falling, RSI very oversold. Okay, so that 78.6 retracement level is at 1111.94. Can't get bullish or short-term bullish or favor a relief rally unless Ethereum can recapture that level. It can possibly play the false breakdown. I have next resistance, very critical resistance, is red line right here at 1719.9k. Okay, 1719.9k, almost 1720. All right, but we need to clear that 1111.94 level. I will not look for longs unless that level is cleared. But as long as below, I have next support at 715.3 and then 438.94. And below that, holy moly, could drop down to 228. And then the next support below that is 87. This is a crazy, crazy sell-off. Don't try to catch the knife. I recommend waiting for a resistant level to clear. Okay, so we get some bullish momentum. You can ride the bullish momentum to the next level. And last but not least, DOGECOIN. Remember, a lot of people were going crazy over DOGECOIN when Elon Musk was talking about it. Not so much now. Yeah, very bearish. Also lost that 78.6 retracement level at 16 cents. All right, Doge is now at 5 cents. We don't know in real time. We don't know how low this can go. All right, look at downtrend line. We don't know how low this can go. So instead of trying to call the bottom or time the bottom, you know, I much rather we wait for a resistant level to clear. Even at this falling wedge or whatever this triangle pattern is called. Like, I'm trying to figure out triangle pattern, and it looked like it just want to break down. It just looks bearish no matter how much I look at this. So like I said, you can reference this downtrend line. This was a nice downtrend line right here. So the breakout level of this downtrend line will be around 11.24 cents. 0.1124 cents. So above 12 cents, I would say. Okay? But the very critical one is at the 78.6 retracing level at 16 cents. All right? We can clear 16 cents. Might get some bullish momentum going with the next support resistance level, around 19 cents. And then I see some here at 25 cents. And then up there at 0.2898 cents. Also almost 29 cents will be the 61.8 retracement level. Okay, guys? So this is just strictly technical analysis perspective, watching the price action just like I do with any other one. Okay? So, you know, I don't know if you guys find value in that, but I love technical analysis. I love price action trading. I believe it can also work with crypto. Okay, that's just my belief, my opinion, and I just thank you guys for watching. All right, so those are my levels that I'm watching for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. If you got any other crypto you guys want me to cover, we do have a 3-day weekend, you know, so definitely want to put out content for you guys. So comment below what you guys want me to cover, or any other stocks, FANG stocks, whatever, energy stocks. Put it down below, and I'll try to make a video about it tomorrow. Okay. So thank you guys so much. Have a great weekend. Peace.